Hey guys, good afternoon. Today we are, we are actually going to go get passport. I believe we can today. Hopefully, I mean that's the plan. It's hot outside like crazy. I want to drive down.
She is not letting me drive.
The sun is eating my eyes. Please help me.
Dummy. She's not letting me drive. This is what I get to deal with. It's back there. This is what I get to deal with every day, basically. Every day. She doesn't let me drive. She doesn't let me cook. She doesn't let me clean.
I don't let you fart?
It's... What?
Is that what you said?
I said cook.
Oh, I thought you said she doesn't let me fart.
She doesn't let me do anything. I have to sit all day when I want to work, but she yells at me.
Come on,
what kind? I want to drive.
Come on.
See this?
I'm driving.
See this attitude?
Come on.
This is attitude.
Let's go. It's hot. Please. Just...
She pretends to be good. It's hot. Let's go. Come on. But as soon as the camera turns off, it's the devil. Look, the hands are ready to hit me.
Baby, come on.
See? You can hear it in the voice. Come on.
Oh shit, I thought it was...
See that language? That was towards me. That was towards me.
Oh my god.
It's a female in her natural habitat.
Driving? I think you're the first to say that.
What do you mean? A female driving? No, that's normal. Properly driving? That's complete. See? There's proof. Abuse. Little dude.
Oh my god. Hey guys, I'm here outside once again. Well, today's been interesting. We woke up early, like every day, and today we had actually some plans to go out. We wanted to go to SeaWorld, and we wanted to do also the letting the person in front of me decide what I eat for 24 hours challenge. So that was basically in our agenda for today. And we woke up around 8 in the morning and everything, we got ready and we were ready to go around 10:30, I think, 11. By that time, obviously, we were really hungry, but we were trying to just get out of the house so we could have breakfast and then head on to SeaWorld. SeaWorld is about an hour away from our house, but my car has been having issues, so it wouldn't turn on. I took the car last week to the dealer. That way they could change the oil and align the tires and all that stuff that they do, but also so they could look at it because of the issue it's been having. And they have like this, I don't know what it is, it's like a computer that they plug into the car, and that little computer cable thing just basically does a rundown of the car, and it basically says all the things that need to be updated or what is failing in the car, etc. And the car came out fine, so it wasn't reading this issue that I've been having. So that's where we are. My morning has been, it went from really well in the morning, waking up in a good mood, to just everything going to crap. Hi, precious. You woke up. Yeah? Hi, Bubby.
Mama.
Hi.
Mama.
Oh, kisses from Molly. Do you want to get in the pool? Hi. Hi, Bubby. Are you hot? Hello? Huh? Video poop. You gonna video? Pero no me lo tires en la cara.
Yeah.
I'm gonna close that door then. Bam. Ajá. ¿Qué? ¿Qué pasó? You know you're the cutest little man? Oh my goodness, I love you. Go, 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 go. I had a strength and conditioning class yesterday, and we worked out. I haven't worked out like that in a while, so I am very, very sore. I can't move my legs. I'm walking as if I'm pregnant, like as if I'm 9 months pregnant, actually. My legs just feel super, super heavy. Come on, Molly.
Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, send me. Darling, send me. I know you do. 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 Send me. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me.
today we are going to talk about life, liberty, pursuit of happiness, and freedom. The end.